In this episode, we search for a reliable, low-maintenance vehicle under 50,000 Rand.
We help a frequent commuter find a reliable and economical vehicle with off-road capabilities.
We guide a viewer on whether his spark plugs need replacement.
Hello and welcome to Buyer's Guide. Every week we try to provide you with useful advice, whether it relates to buying, selling or maintaining a vehicle. If you have a question for the team, you can send an email to buyersguide@ignitiontv.co.za containing as much information as possible, as well as a nice picture of yourself.
And joining us in studio to help resolve those troubling automotive issues is Gift Makoti from Gifted Media and Mumbo from Mumbo Repairs. Welcome, gentlemen.
Thanks for having us.
Welcome back, guys. Good to see you back here again.
All right, let's get into our first question, which comes from 25-year-old Jacob. He's looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient car with low maintenance costs for under 50,000 Rand. He's considering the 2007 Honda Jazz, but wants advice on whether it suits his needs. Key priorities include fuel efficiency, reliability, comfort for long drives, and enough luggage space. But gentlemen, I just want to read exactly what he wants here. He also wants all-terrain capabilities.
Yeah.
Okay, now for 50K, I know what my suggestion would be, but let's start with your Gift.
I'm not sure about all the all-terrain capabilities. I see you listed a number of things.
Yes, that he wants from.
But from that budget, I'm not sure whether you'll get all of that. My first thought when I saw 50K, and I had to think of Toyota, and that was the Corolla from between 2006 to 2008-ish. Obviously, you probably have to have
a bicycle.
Yeah, also maybe need to have like an extra 10K to improve the suspension, because you're not going to get that car less than 200,000 Ks at 50,000 Rand. No ways.
Not for what he wants in the vehicle.
Mumbo?
Yeah, I think 50,000 is a very low budget. Rather use it as a deposit for a vehicle that costs 80,000 to 100,000 Rand. Otherwise, if he's really strict with the 50,000, I think I'd recommend a Hyundai Getz. That's something reliable for less than 50,000 Rand.
So, in terms of Honda Jazz, I think it's a perfect choice for him within his budget. You do find them for around about 50,000 Rand. But like you said, Gift, they're going to be well over 200,000 Ks, which is fine because they can do 400,000 Ks.
Yeah.
It will be perfect for running around town, going on your trips, good fuel consumption, reliable. The only issue is you said capable for all-terrain. While a 4x4 isn't necessary, it should handle African road conditions. And we know what African road conditions are. Our roads are most of them, especially in the rural areas.
Yeah.
So, but like we've all said, your 50,000 Rand budget, unfortunately, is not going to get you a vehicle that's going to do that bad road situation. It'll do the dirt roads and stuff like that. So it's a great vehicle for most probably 90% of the driving that you're going to do.
Yeah, 100%.
The other 10% is going to be an issue. And it's not only the Jazz, there's nothing you're going to buy for 50 grand that will have off-road capabilities. If you find something that can do off-road capabilities, 4x4 or whatever, for 50 grand, it's not going to get you there.
I even tried.
It's going to be
I tried getting a horse for him. No horses available for 50 grand.
Donkey and a donkey and a bicycle.
But if he's looking, like you said, Adam, for 90% of his needs, the Honda Jazz is the perfect motor vehicle.
Yeah, for that. But
for that, for his what he requires.
Yeah.
But it's
Honda
not going to do
Jazz.
that bad roads. But I mean, if you're driving on dirt roads, it's fine. If the roads aren't that good, you've got to drive it slowly. Most cars will get there. You're going to knock things underneath.
Yeah,
But
you're going to lose a lot of your.
But there's not many
plates and
better cars in terms of long-term reliability for average day-to-day driving than a Honda Jazz.
Yeah.
Okay.